Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving you're eligible. Use a current, edu email, or a school ID photo. Create or sign into a Motorola account, then open their student discount program page and choose verification. Once done, upload the required proof, an enrollment letter or ID, then wait for confirmation. Make sure to use the same email when you return to buy, otherwise verification may not link. This step unlocks discounted SKUs and promo codes, so don't skip the verification and double-check file names. Once verified, you pick the Motorola phone that lists a student price or supports the student coupon. Add the device to your cart, then sign in with the verified account. Many discounts auto-apply. If not, paste the promo code at checkout. Make sure to review trade-in and financing fields because combining offers can save more. If taxes or shipping show differently, adjust payment method before finalizing. You want the discount reflected in the subtotal, not reversed after payment authorization. You finish by confirming the discounted subtotal and completing checkout with the same verified account to avoid mismatches. Once paid, save the order ID and confirmation email. If the discount doesn't appear, refresh verification, try clearing cache or using incognito, and re-enter the code. Many problems stem from cached sessions or mismatched emails. If that fails, contact Motorola support with order ID and screenshots so they can manually adjust or refund the difference. This usually resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.